Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I thought I will talk to you about this guy who became a millionaire in just 69 days. And do you know how? He actually invested in Dogecoins. He invested in Dogecoins in February of this year, and by April, he became a millionaire. He actually all that he did was and I'll tell you, he didn't know anything about cryptocurrency before he invested. He had no idea. All that he did was he heard about cryptocurrencies and Dogecoins on Reddit, and he invested because a lot of people were talking about cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin in particular on Reddit. And he went on and put in his money, money that he has saved. And then when Elon Musk spoke about Dogecoin, supported Dogecoin, he invested even more. And in April, to be specific, April 15th, his total investment went over $1 million. And he put that back on the Reddit community and said, "Oh, that thank you for all your advice." So I thought that's a great piece of news, and how you could actually, if you're smart and you take the right decision at the right time, you could really become rich, wealthy, and that's why I thought I'll talk about it in today's video. So before we talk about it, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please smash that notification bell so that you are informed every time I upload a new video. And please like my videos. Please share my videos with people who would really be benefited from watching my videos and following my advice. Well, thank you, and then let's talk about it. So look at this. This guy, his name is Glauber Contessoto. This was his Reddit post on April 15th when his investment went past $1 million. I took a screenshot of this because this is a proof that he really became a millionaire in just 69 days. So let's talk about this particular guy and what he did and how he did, and how he became a Dogecoin millionaire. So he invested between $180,000 to $250,000. Exact amount is not very clear. That was on February 5th, 2021, when he read about Dogecoins in the Reddit community platform. Obviously, like I said, he had no idea about cryptocurrencies. He was a struggling musician, and he said, "Okay, a lot of people have been raving about Dogecoin, so why not I go and invest in this particular cryptocurrency and see how it goes?" So, so the few reasons why he was intrigued, like I said, the Reddit community was really talking a lot about this particular cryptocurrency, and Elon Musk repeatedly tweeted about it. And that was the reason why he felt, okay, let's go and grab this coin. So he was very bullish about the growth of Dogecoin. And like I said, he didn't really have much of disposable income, and he took a huge risk. He actually, sold off all his stocks and borrowed money on the Robinhood app. So you know about Robinhood app in the US. you could actually use that app to borrow money on the cryptocurrency platform, and it's used quite extensively in the US. So he took a lot of risk, and you see, buying on a margin can be very risky because the investors who are using borrowed money, they're using it for trade, and trade can collapse. So if the investors experiences any loss, he will not be able to pay back the loan on the margin immediately at all. So he will have to pay with interest. So he took that risk. He took that risk, and that's how he managed to gather 180K or a 250K, whatever the amount was, and he put that entire money into Dogecoins. And unlike Bitcoin has a particular expiration or number of Bitcoins that you could actually mine. But Dogecoin doesn't have. So obviously the investment was extremely risky, extremely dangerous. Yet he went for that particular investment, and on April 15th, Dogecoin spiked 400%. And on April 16th, it defied all odds, and the market cap was over $49 billion. It was trading at, I think, 45 cents at that point in time. Yesterday, when I saw this, the trading, the rate, it was at 42 cents. So it ultimately reached a record high of 45 cents from just 0.045 cents on February 5th. So that was the turning point. He actually stuck by Dogecoin. Although Dogecoin was trading pretty low, and it didn't have the number of a supply cap like Bitcoin has, and also he took risks in terms of investing on margins, using margin money, and that is a huge obviously risk that he took. So he made $1 million in just 69 days. So like I showed you in the previous slide, 1.081 million to be exact on that was the exact amount he made on April 15th, 2021. So, and he posted that on the Reddit community platform. So what does it tell you? So it's all about the risk appetite, gumption, and the speed of taking action that makes you a millionaire. So all that I'm trying to tell you is that if you have a certain concept or an idea, and you have tested it out based on my previous advice on finding the latent need in the market, the drive and the desire, knowing the customer well and the market well, and if you have that risk appetite, you have the gumption, and you take decisions at the right time, then there are very high chances that you will be successful. You will be a millionaire. So that's what my advice is. And to me, this is a fascinating story. This guy is about 30-something, 33, I think. And he makes it big in just 69 days, which is an awesome achievement. And any one of you can do that if you have these risk appetite, gumption, and speed of action. So that's what I had to share with you. If you want to start your own business today, I have a video for you which I'll put on the card above. You could start a business with almost zero investment or very little investment. I spoke about it in that video. Take a look at it. Maybe that will help you take the right decision. And guys, I have a ebook where I spoke about my story as an entrepreneur, how I quit my six-figure globe-trotting corporate job back in 2010, 2011, and then I became an entrepreneur, a successful entrepreneur with a company in two countries and representations in another country. My company is in Singapore and in India and representations in the US. So I have put my story down in this ebook with three worksheets which you can use to try and understand if you fit the bill of an entrepreneur. So please go grab it on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. It's absolutely free. I'll put the URL on the description box down below. Please go grab it, and I shall see you soon. So thank you very much for listening to me. My name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll also put down my LinkedIn URL in the description down below. Please connect with me. If you want to engage me as a consultant for your company or startup, please drop me a line on LinkedIn or on my contact page on my website. I'll reach out to you soon. So, finally, please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, you'll be informed. And please share my videos. So until the next time, take care of your health, take care of your family, and you have a great day ahead. I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.